we're going to do is the full shell. Yeah? So we're now going to fully open and close like a real shell. So let's look at this in a couple of ways. The half shell, we had one on top of the other, but so that both of the fan ends were pointing to the ceiling. Yeah? With this, we need them facing into each other. So we need them sort of sitting on top, but so that if needed, yeah, they would go through each other on the close. Now, with your full shell, you are simply just looking to open and close at the knots. But depending, you know, on your mobility and depending what you're wanting to do with these can depend how you want to work with them. And remember, you know, you can twist and turn them as well. You're not stuck with just doing it one way or the other, so you can twist and turn. Yeah? So you can just open and close here, open and close, or you could go for a full-on open and close, open and close. But you can switch them as well. So you're up, down, switch, up, down, switch, yeah? What you're doing is holding the fans open the way that you would normally use them, so grabbing the top ones with the forefingers and the thumb, wedging that knot in and using the back fingers and the baby finger to keep it open, okay? And then you're choosing from laying them on top of each other, but so that the fans bow into each other, you're choosing how much open and close movement you want to create, okay? If you had bars on the back, you might even use the bar to just simply open there, yeah? But that is quite a faff to, if you haven't got the bars, because you need to be able to let go and then quickly switch your hand without losing whatever shape you're trying to create and without them closing, okay? So, start small, just open and close both. Yeah, you might even keep one arm still and return and start there and then start to open and drop and move both arms. But don't forget, you can come and switch, 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 yeah? You can do lots of things with these. But the shell is where both hands are predominantly opening and closing, yeah, and bringing those feather tips together at the end. So I'm going to let you have a play with that. That's your full shell, and I'll see you for the next move.